to the channel, guys. I think 5 months has been quite a while since one Evie's been started. You all watched the last video where I started her back in September. Unfortunately, I wish I had a bit more progress to give you, but unfortunately she has sat, nothing's happened. Lots happened. Obviously second lockdown's been quite obviously stopped us from doing a lot of things. I'm in a new location now as well, which has taken up a lot of my time and getting things sorted. Hopefully be able to get you a bit more work going through, but I thought I'd just give you a quick update of what's going on with Eve. As you can probably see by the start of this video, not a lot. If anything, she's got worse. Unfortunately, she's got a lot of condensation in here, and as you can see, she's now becoming to start to be a bit of a biohazard. That happens to be quite a common theme of my cars at the moment, especially with the Mazda. I will put a photo in here of how bad the Mazda was. So yeah, not gonna lie, a little bit of neglect for the cars. I finally got Evie in her new location, and she's got her cover on her, which I think has helped, but we need some decent weather for this to actually become dry again. So today's video is I'm gonna pop a battery on her, I'm gonna get her charged and get her started, just to give her a run, let all the fluids go. I won't get her too hot, I don't think she's got a lot of coolant at the moment, but just to give everything a bit of a run. Might just reverse her up and down the driveway, go through the gears, just make sure everything's still moving, because mechanically she's still good. It's just the body work now. So I'm going to get the carpet out, I'm going to get the seats out, I'm going to get the back seats out, and I'm going to give them clean with a carpet cleaner. One, just to disinfect them all, and two, to get them nice and dry, and then I'm going to dry them out in the house, and then they're going to live in the house for probably another year or two before they actually end up coming back in the car, because we're not quite sure when the welding's going to get done, but it's probably not looking like this year. But I thought I'd give you an update and say that we will at least give you small snippets of Evie's restoration. So we might end up cutting off a lot of the panels, getting her basically back down to a bare metal this year, and then next year, once a lot of the big events of our lives this year have come and gone, we will be able to bring you lots more mini content. So yeah, that's basically my introduction for this video. So sit back and enjoy the ride, and hopefully capture you a lot of me just taking things out and giving things a bit of a clean, and I hope you get the satisfaction of seeing a mouldy seat to a clean seat. Yeah, I don't really want to be in it much longer, to be honest. It's looking a bit probably not much good for my health, but then a lot of things are not good these days. But right, I'll catch you at the end of the video. Right, so I stripped out all the interior, got rid of the swimming pool that was in the back here, got the insulation and the carpet off. Do you know what? It's not too bad. You can probably still see over there where we had the patch, which showing signs of surface rust again, but it was only a patch just to get it through the MOT a few years ago now. But it worked, did the job. Let's get her started. Just give her a run for a little bit, and then whilst I do that, yes, I also know that the brackets for the maybe when I was 19, 18, I didn't quite understand how things worked and we just bolted next to it. We didn't bolt in between, but anyway, they'll get fixed and replaced at some point when the seats go back in. But seat extenders definitely worth having. So yeah, I'm going to pop the battery in, give her a turn over, just see if she starts up, let her run, let her warm up. I'm pretty happy with that. She's yeah, first time she ran in 5 months since that last video that you all saw, and yeah, just like that, just charged the battery up, and on the first turnover actually, or after the failed attempt because the battery was still flat, but give the battery a few more hours on the charger and it was all good. I was gonna see if I can put it in gear and move her, but as I said before, the slave cylinders got stuck again. Although it did release the last time I tried it, but this time no, it's well and truly stuck. So no moving for her, she's going to stay where she is. So yeah, that's it, that's Eve, and that's me making a start. The interior is out, as you can see. I have dried her all out inside now. There's a bit of insulation that still needs to dry out, but I'll see if I can get that done over the next few weeks when hopefully we get into better sunnier weather. But she's not too wet underneath here. The front was actually stayed pretty dry. It was just the swimming pool that I had here, which has always been a problem since I've had her. That's because the rear window rubbers, as you can see, are not very good. and there's a massive hole in the middle there as well. So that will be rectified once obviously she's back on, because all new seals will go in. But other than that, that's it for Eve and me today. Hopefully you'll see a bit more of me back on the channel. And right, thanks for watching, guys. Just quickly before I go, I've been working a little bit of merchandise, and we hopefully will be getting t-shirts going soon. But as you might have seen earlier on in the video, I have made some new key rings, all 3D printed and all designed by us. I've made this emergency 13mm spanner as a keychain. Probably wouldn't recommend using it as a 13mm spanner, but it is a 13mm spanner, and if you were ever caught out and you looked at your keychain, not only are you supporting Simpsons Classics, but you've also got an emergency 13mm spanner. Use it at your own risk. If it snaps, well, let me know, I'll make you another one, but still, I'm sure it'll be interesting to see how well it works. A lot of bolts on Evie today were a bit rusted, and I didn't want to push it. So, but yeah, obviously these will be up for sale on our shop. Hopefully at the end of this video, you'll be able to have the link to go see them. But yeah, of course, if you want one, they will come in different colours. Also got just standard key tags as well, so if you want those, let us know and we'll put them on. And hopefully t-shirt designs are coming very soon, and we'll get them on there as well. So for everyone who's bought stickers already, great, thank you very much. It's obviously helped us out a lot. I know we haven't got a lot of stuff going on at the moment, but obviously you know what Mark's been doing with his Volvo and all his minis, so we will be getting more content and obviously footage out for you guys. Thank you much, take care now.